But I want to give you guys the option to work on the homework if you want instead of
I don't control. I want to do it no, I understand like everybody's all their opinion on what they think was because the popular part of the one was really bad. Not very much. Oh, she can't have any diabetes. Like she just went.
Oh, yeah. Well, I think I have.
And she went to a baseball game for the summer. And I like it, and they're all playing a lot.
What's the matter?
I accidentally got mandarin orange juice on my leg.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
I was gonna start filling it in, but it doesn't make much sense.
Right. No, it's probably hard to fill it. And we probably won't do all, we don't have to do all of it today. We can maybe do half of it or something.
I feel like we should do the first four.
So it's just a little less to have to worry about for tomorrow. So our test is going to be on Monday. But I thought having this chart, this is kind of a good thing to have to kind of remind yourself of the different rules and kind of have something to look at and study. A lot of times students ask how to study for math, and I think reading over your notes again, doing more practice is helpful. We're just going to kind of quickly run through the rules here with these and do a quick example of some of them. Like I said, we can kind of maybe just do a couple of these. So our rule for this one is that we would add the exponents. So I was going to show you guys a little example with that. And it seems like you guys are doing pretty well with this. My third block, I was a little worried about the Kahoot didn't go very well yesterday. It seemed like you guys were, the Kahoot was okay for you guys, but so we do 5 times 3 is 15, but then we're going to add those exponents, so it ends up being x to the 5th, because 4 plus 1. So kind of just a quick reminder of the rules and having a place to like go to compare them. So dividing, we subtract the exponents. So we have 12x over 3x to the 5th. Now don't forget the coefficients. Think about the coefficients as their own problem. So 12 over 3, if you just think about it that way, it's just going to be 4. If you start trying to mix that up with the exponent rules, you might do 12 over 3 is 9, which hopefully you realize is not the case. Where's the 4 going to end up though for the 12 over 3? On the 12 over 3 part, the 4 is going to end up on the top because the 4 is the bigger number. But for the exponents, the x is going to be on the bottom, and there'll be 4 of them. So that might have been kind of a confusing question when I said, where's the 4 end up? So it could be 4 over 1. Just 4 is fine. If you want to put the 1 there, that's optional. So let's actually go right over to a division problem with this. And we'll just do this column and we can save the other two for tomorrow. So let me show you guys kind of a big division problem with this. So this has negative exponents and division. So negative exponents and division on this one. So remember, we move bases with negative exponents in the fraction. So I really like to move them to make them all positive first. So that way I can just deal with positive exponents rather than negatives. But this coefficient, the negative 4 over 6 becomes what? Negative 4 over 6.
Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one, sorry. Negative 2/3.
Negative 2/3, because you divide them both by 2. Okay. Now, I'm going to move some things around here. Is x squared okay?
Yeah.
Yep. How about y to the third? Negative third, sorry. It needs to move, right? So y to the third is going to go on the bottom. How about x to the negative 4?
Nope.
Goes to the top. And y to the negative 2?
Also needs to be
Bottom. Okay? Oops. Now at this point, now I can put some things together. Thank you.
I was so confused.
Thanks for
Oh,
listening. Yeah, I'm confusing. All right, y squared. Thank you. Thanks for yelling at me. It's okay. I need to be yelled at sometimes. All right, so we have negative 2/3. How many x's? How many x's? 6. Okay. Where will the y's end up? Bottom, how many of them?
1.
Just 1. Okay. And let's just do the box right above it. So if you want to go straight up from there, we'll do that and be done for today. I'll give you guys the homework, and then, like I said, you can do a Funkahoot if you want, or you can work on homework. It'll be up to you guys.
I thought we don't do popular culture.
You don't like pop culture?
No, that was so confusing. Because when they're like, who is the most followers on TikTok? That was wrong.
It was wrong.
It was very wrong. It was a Zoe weird.
Basically, still all has things like I had.
All right, so we're going to move bases with negative exponents. I abbreviated a little bit there. So this one's multiplying with our negative exponents here. Now the negative 2 times 4, we're just going to multiply that together. So that's going to be negative 8. Now that does not move. Negative coefficients are okay. What is the x's power right now? When we put it together. Negative 2. Now some of you guys might have moved that negative 5 right away. I usually just, if I can combine them easily enough, I just do that. But now I have to simplify this. I don't want that negative exponent, so I'm going to make it a fraction. What's going to go on the bottom?
X squared.
X squared, and the negative 8 will stay on top. Remember, negative numbers are fine, negative exponents are not. Okay? So we'll fill in the rest of the chart tomorrow. We do have another review we're going to do as well, but we have a little bit less to do now that you guys got that taken care of. So our homework for tomorrow, if you guys did not finish the 547, you want to finish that. So let me write this down. Let me just flip the page here if everyone's got this. So if you didn't finish page So this was still from yesterday, 547, 9 through 19 odds. Finished that. Some of you guys I know did that already, but I'll check it tomorrow. Then the other homework, I'll find where that is
5, 27, 45.
I think it's on Schoology, but I'll.
Oh wait, no, that's what we just did.
Yeah.
That's really blurry, so I just squeezed lots of my eyes.
Okay, then page 515 and 516. So this is the new scientific notation stuff.
Oh yeah.
So this is 3 through 43 odds. So if you did the first half already, you're good. You have to do the second half though now as well, if you didn't do that first half already.